Taking cloves daily for a month will boost your strength and health 100 times. Taking cloves daily for just 1 month will boost your strength and health exponentially, as they contain amazing benefits that provide the body with numerous benefits. They relieve headaches, improve memory, and contribute to improving digestion. They also relieve toothaches and inflammation, treat weakness in men, support liver health, strengthen bones and joints, and improve hair health and shine. However, don't make this mistake that most people make when taking cloves, which will cause you to lose most of its benefits. But before we start, if you have taken cloves, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Cloves, this treasure whose numerous benefits are undisputed. Do you know what will happen inside your body when you drink 1 cup of cloves daily? You will be surprised by the amazing benefits that happen to your body. Cloves will reduce inflammation in the body, help improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, fight infection, improve mental performance, strengthen memory and brain functions, contribute to stabilizing blood sugar levels, promote heart health and reduce the risk of common heart diseases, support eye health, and lower high blood pressure, keeping it within normal and stable levels. Many people suffer from bone pain. All you have to do is take a cup of clove drink, as cloves contain flavonoids, magnesium, and eugenol. These substances enter into the process of bone formation and building, increasing the density of important minerals within the bones and strengthening them, which fights osteoporosis. In addition, cloves have properties that reduce joint inflammation and are considered a wonderful treatment for rheumatoid arthritis, as studies have proven. Cloves also improve mood, alleviate symptoms of depression, enhance athletic performance, increases endurance, help reduce harmful cholesterol levels, increase good cholesterol levels in the body, support nervous system health, improve neurological functions, enhance the ability to concentrate and pay attention in the brain, improve brain function, and reduce the risk of stroke. The liver is considered the most important and largest organ in the body. The liver is the center of toxins in the body. This powerful organ replaces the harmful substances in your body and gets rid of them daily. As the liver continues to work for long periods, it must be preserved, as the liver is exposed to many chronic diseases such as cirrhosis, fibrosis, and inflammation. One of the best things that maintain liver health is taking cloves daily. You will avoid contracting these diseases. Cloves contain eugenol, and this compound improves the efficiency of liver functions, removes toxins from it, and plays a role in purifying the body. Cloves also help treat anemia, reduce the risk of iron deficiency in the body, strengthen gums and dental health, and are an effective treatment for teeth and reduce the risk of gout. They also improve metabolism, increase the speed of fat burning, enhance the efficiency of the respiratory system, alleviate asthma symptoms, and reduce the incidence of chest diseases. Cloves are a good source of fiber, phenolic compounds such as gallic acid, and fat-soluble antioxidants. Fat-soluble antioxidants are known to have a powerful effect because the cell membrane in the human body is made up of fats, which protect all cells from free radicals and give a feeling of energy. They also work to delay aging and reduce inflammation in the body. Thus, your immune system will be able to better resist infections and diseases. Cloves are also rich in vitamin C, which stimulates the production of white blood cells in the body, which are responsible for supporting the immune system. It is a very effective treatment against many harmful bacteria and fungi, fighting viruses and purifying the blood, which reduces blood toxicity. Other benefits of cloves include supporting thyroid health, helping regulate hormones because they contain powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage, improving sleep quality, helping with relaxation, alleviating menstrual symptoms, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing insulin resistance. Cloves reduce the risk of colitis and constipation, soften the intestines, and alleviate the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Cloves also increase testosterone levels and help treat inflammation and enlargement of the prostate. Recent studies have shown that cloves boost testosterone, the male hormone, which enhances sperm, increases blood flow, and promotes a feeling of energy and vitality for all men. They also treat all prostate problems and are a useful treatment for male infertility. Cloves are considered one of the best natural treatments for acne because they contain eugenol, which is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, especially against the bacteria that cause acne. In addition, they have anti-inflammatory properties that occur in the body, especially in the face, which can work to reduce the swelling associated with acne. Cloves also protect against the signs of aging, as they reduce sagging and wrinkles in the skin. In addition, they reduce puffiness around the eyes and help remove dark circles around the eyes. Dear viewer, have you ever wondered about the correct way to drink cloves? The method that guarantees you'll reap all their benefits. Before we tell you the correct method, which we will mention to you, here are the common mistakes that most people make, which reduce the benefits of cloves and make drinking cloves useless, and may even lose its health value completely. Common mistakes that most people make when taking cloves. First, take cloves on an empty stomach, as drinking cloves on an empty stomach can irritate the stomach and cause inflammation in the body, especially for those suffering from colon problems, and reduces its effectiveness in calming the digestive system. Also, boiling cloves for long periods of time leads to a loss of volatile oils and active ingredients that evaporate when cloves are boiled for a long time, thus significantly reducing their benefits. As for the correct way to take cloves, nutrition experts recommend drinking a cup of cloves daily for healthy people who don't suffer from chronic health problems. The best time to take cloves is half an hour after breakfast or dinner, as this helps improve digestion and reduce bloating throughout the day. Cloves can also be drunk after meals as an effective way to support the digestive system, relieve acidity, and promote healthy digestion. Here's the correct way to prepare cloves to maximize their benefits. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of honey if you like. The honey is optional. Preparation is simple. Boil the water well, then add the ground cloves to the boiling water and let the mixture steep for 10 minutes. Then strain the cloves through a strainer. If desired, you can add honey to sweeten it. A quick warning, however, pregnant women shouldn't take cloves without consulting a doctor, as they may adversely affect the fetus. Also, children under the age of 10 shouldn't take cloves. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.